Okay, today's math question. I am a 2D shape. I have an area of 24 centimeters squared. What shape can I be? What is my perimeter? So here's that first shape. It's a rectangle. So area is 24 centimeters squared. How do we get the area? How do we calculate the area of a rectangle, Abby? Yeah, so area equals length times width. And then we have 6 and 4, so 6 times 4 equals 24 centimeters squared. And the perimeter is how many centimeters? 20 centimeters. So perimeter is all the sides added together. So side, we can write side plus side plus side plus side. Let's make this a little more visible. And the sides are 6 plus 4 plus 6 plus 4. Remember, this is 6 and 4 because it's a rectangle and the opposite sides are exactly the same. Gives us a perimeter of 20 centimeters. What about our next shape? Here is our parallelogram. And how do we get the area of a parallelogram? What is the formula? Yeah, it's base times height. So in this case, the base is at the bottom. And our height, where would our height be on a parallelogram? Where would we mark it? Does anyone remember where we mark the height? So if you do it right here, the height would be right here. This part here is 2 centimeters. Because if you chop this part off here, it would actually fit over here. So basically a parallelogram is just a rectangle that's been flattened out or pushed down. So that's the height here. So we don't necessarily use this measurement here. So base is 12 times height, 12 times 2, 24 centimeters squared. Okay. And our last shape. So as we can see here, we have a triangle that can be 24 centimeters squared. It looks like this. Okay. So we use the height here, which is 6, the base, which is 8, and then we divide it by 2. We divide it by 2 because it's half of a square. So if you put two triangles together, you're going to get a square, and or a parallelogram. It depends on the triangle, or a rectangle, whatever. You're going to get some sort of quadrilateral out of it, and you can figure out this area by just cutting that in half. That's why we divide it by 2. Triangle's half. If you can just remember, a triangle is half of a square, because square has the same formula as rectangles and parallelograms, you'll be easily successful in this area. Area as in like area of math, not area as in like, you know, area. And then perimeter, simple, you add up the sides. This only has 3 sides, so you get 20 centimeters. And don't forget the units.